This is a nature trail at the Manatee Viewing Center at the Tampa Bay Electric Conservation. It's going to be hard to do this because it's paved with shells, and I'm going to crunch as I walk, but it's so pretty. And on in here, the birds are singing everywhere. I don't know if you can hear it or not. It's just so pretty in here. Can you hear the birds? There's so many palm trees and live oaks with the Spanish moss. It's hard to believe you're right in the city here. All the birds fascinate me. This is just a short trail, but it's worth sharing. I hope you could hear the birds. And now we come to the end of the trail.